Hands on Horses is a program I started last year that basically gives horse owners and horse enthusiasts a day in the barn or on the farm to actually learn about hands-on stuff with horses, whether it's management, nutrition, anything with vital signs, first aid, lameness, horse health, and just to kind of get them out of the classroom and to just enjoy the afternoon and be able to put their hands on a horse and not just learn from the program in class. And now you can see behind us there's a couple vet students that are talking about first aid and vital signs. And vital signs are so important because you have to kind of know that limit of what you can handle at home and what may be a very, very simple thing to handle and what you may need to get a vet involved with. Extension is the resource for horse owners. That's our job, is to educate the public on a list of things, but in terms of equine ownership, they should be our resource for how they handle especially some of the grassroots stuff, some of the basic stuff. And that's what Hands on Horses is there to do, is to give them some general basic knowledge about horse ownership. That's what we're here for, is to disseminate that information to the public.